The Model Y Standard has seen disappointing sales, primarily due to its pricing being nearly identical to premium versions that offer superior features. Competitors such as Chevrolet and Toyota provide comparable quality at lower price points. In response, Elon Musk plans to introduce more affordable Tesla models, employing new technologies to broaden market accessibility. This strategic shift aims to make electric vehicles more attainable for a wider range of consumers. Internal reports indicate that the much-anticipated Model 2 could make its debut in May 2026, featuring a distinctive hatchback design. This model seeks to deliver a unique Tesla experience while remaining budget-friendly. This innovative battery offers an impressive range of nearly 500 miles and supports rapid charging capabilities, allowing for substantial range boosts in minutes. Its performance is currently unrivaled in the market. Moreover, the Xinjiang 2 battery excels in cold conditions, achieving a charge from 5% to 80% in a mere 15 minutes, which marks a significant improvement over industry norms. This ensures its usability across varying climates. The production of the Model 2 incorporates advanced gigacasting technology, which streamlines manufacturing processes. This innovation is pivotal in keeping the vehicle's price below $30,000 while upholding high quality. The Model May 2 also redefine user control interfaces, potentially shifting towards capacitive touch zones on the steering wheel. This bold move could pose challenges for more traditional users, reflecting Tesla's commitment to minimalism. For Model 2 production, Tesla favors the Fremont factory due to its expertise in small and mid-size vehicles. This decision enhances the company's ability to innovate and refine manufacturing processes effectively. Current sales hurdles, particularly surrounding the Model Y Standard, underscore the urgent need for genuinely innovative vehicles that align with consumer desires for affordability and comprehensive features by 2025. The lack of reliable cellular coverage in various regions amplifies the necessity for satellite connectivity in vehicles, ensuring safety and communication. Starlink's global reach could significantly alleviate this critical issue. Tesla's forward-thinking strategy includes redesigning vehicle roofs to facilitate effective penetration of satellite signals, representing a remarkable engineering feat. This advancement enables consistent connectivity without cumbersome external antennas. Access to satellite internet in vehicles could revolutionize them into mobile offices, allowing for seamless work and communication on the go. This capability holds especially great promise for outdoor enthusiasts and remote workers. The integration of Starlink could reshape consumer expectations regarding automotive connectivity, making high-speed internet an essential feature for modern vehicles. This shift may compel other automakers to accelerate their innovation efforts. Tesla's Cybercab prototype is currently undergoing real-world testing, underscoring the company's dedication to developing autonomous vehicle technology. This prototype aims to operate independently of traditional controls, highlighting the future of mobility. However, regulatory challenges persist for the Cybercab, as existing safety standards mandate manual controls. Tesla is diligently addressing these obstacles while optimizing data collection from real-world driving experiences. Skepticism surrounding Optimus's autonomy has heightened following incidents indicating it may depend on remote control during demonstrations. This situation emphasizes the importance of clear communication regarding the robot's capabilities. Public expectations for Optimus are soaring due to ambitious claims, leading to potential disappointment when the robot fails to perform perfectly. This contrasts sharply with the gradual acceptance seen with robotaxi advancements. The societal implications of humanoid robots stir deeper concerns around job displacement and the uncanny nature of human-like robots. Such anxieties only intensify the scrutiny surrounding Optimus. The Tesla Semi's refreshed design features a more aerodynamic front end and updated headlights, enhancing both its contemporary aesthetic and functionality. These modifications aim to further boost energy efficiency. Additionally, the Tesla Semi will support ultra-fast charging capabilities, facilitating quicker turnaround times for logistics operations. This feature is crucial for companies seeking to maximize efficiency. Initial trials conducted by DHL have highlighted the Tesla Semi's remarkable abilities, completing long-haul journeys on a single charge while significantly outpacing current electric truck standards. This showcases its potential for real-world applications. Electric trucks like the Tesla Semi can outpace diesel trucks on long trips, proving superior performance in real-world conditions. This efficiency becomes especially evident on inclines. The Tesla Semi offers significant operational cost savings, with electricity costs running approximately 45% lower than those of diesel fuel. Over its lifespan, this translates to considerable financial benefits for fleet operators. Full self-driving capabilities are slated for integration into the Tesla Semi by 2025, addressing the widespread truck driver shortage while enhancing logistics efficiency. This advancement seeks to improve safety and reduce driver fatigue. The Tesla Semi aspires to mitigate the chronic shortage of long-haul truck drivers by fostering a safer and more comfortable working atmosphere. This could lead to improved retention and job satisfaction among drivers. Finally, with its significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, the Tesla Semi plays a pivotal role in promoting environmental sustainability within the transportation sector. This is crucial in our ongoing fight against climate change. The advanced features of the Tesla Semi, including its driving position and driver assistance systems, create a modern driving experience that may attract a younger generation to the trucking industry. Pricing of the Model Y standard has left many customers questioning its value, especially when higher-tier models provide more appealing features. This sentiment has contributed to a disappointing sales performance. Elon Musk's goal of creating a more affordable Tesla has garnered significant anticipation, as consumers expect a vehicle that not only meets but exceeds the affordability standards prevalent in today's market. The soon-to-be-released Model 2 is rumored to feature a distinctive hatchback design, setting it apart from existing models. It will employ cutting-edge battery technology to ensure competitive pricing. The Xincheng 2 battery offers notable enhancements in energy density and charging speed when compared to traditional LFP batteries. This innovation is vital for extending the driving range of Tesla models and competing effectively within the electric vehicle market. Tesla's production process for the Model 2 utilizes gigacasting technology, enabling a streamlined body structure that reduces both production complexity and costs. This efficiency is essential for delivering lower prices to consumers. The design of the Model 2 emphasizes practicality over extravagant features, featuring a conventional four-door layout that enhances usability. This focus reflects Tesla's commitment to meeting the everyday needs of mainstream consumers. The new infotainment screen in the Model 2 will be smaller yet equipped with fast processing capabilities to ensure a smooth user experience. This adjustment aims to reduce costs while still providing essential functionalities. Tesla intends to manufacture the Model 2 at its Fremont facility, which allows for better oversight and quick modifications during production. This strategy capitalizes on the factory's extensive expertise with small and mid-size vehicles. The Tesla Model 2 is strategically positioned to meet the growing demand for an affordable and innovative vehicle, with expectations for its unveiling set for the second quarter of next year. Starlink provides global coverage through a network of low Earth orbit satellites, offering internet access in almost any outdoor location. This capability is crucial for regions lacking reliable cellular signals. Tesla's innovative design incorporates RF transparent materials in the vehicle's roof to ensure optimal satellite signal reception. This approach not only enhances connectivity but also maintains the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. By integrating Starlink, Tesla aims to bolster vehicle safety through dependable connectivity during emergencies. Such capabilities could potentially save lives by enabling real-time location tracking in critical situations. Tesla's early embrace of satellite internet technology offers a competitive advantage in the automotive industry, shaping consumer preferences for connected vehicles. Other manufacturers must adapt quickly to keep pace. Real-world testing of the Cybercab signals Tesla's robust progress toward deploying autonomous vehicles, underscoring the company's commitment to innovation and adherence to safety standards. The regulatory hurdles faced by the Cybercab illustrate the complexities associated with introducing fully autonomous vehicles into the marketplace. Tesla actively collaborates with regulators to pave the way for future advancements in self-driving technology. Tesla's evolution in self-driving technology has demonstrated considerable advancement over the years, with the robotaxi providing invaluable real-world data to refine its systems. This contrasts sharply with Optimus, which lacks similar operational data. Expectations for the Optimus project soared following its reveal, leading to comparisons with fictional robots. This creates immense pressure and heightened scrutiny regarding its development and overall performance. The skepticism surrounding Optimus reflects broader societal concerns about job displacement and the implications of humanoid robots, complicating public acceptance of this emerging technology. The production version of the Tesla Semi incorporates significant design improvements, including a more aerodynamic front end and enhanced headlights for better visibility. These updates aim to increase the truck's appeal to drivers. With a lower drag coefficient, the Tesla Semi is engineered to enhance energy efficiency and extend travel range per charge, positioning it as a formidable competitor to traditional diesel trucks. DHL's evaluation of the Tesla Semi has showcased its efficiency in completing long-haul trips, prompting plans for additional orders and significantly reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Electric trucks demonstrate notably faster arrival times compared to their diesel counterparts, showcasing superior speed and efficiency on long journeys. This advantage is particularly pronounced in hilly terrains. Although the initial purchase price of a Tesla Semi is higher, operators can realize significant long-term financial benefits through savings on energy and maintenance costs. Integrating full self-driving technology within the Tesla Semi aims to tackle the ongoing shortage of truck drivers, enhancing logistics while alleviating stress for operators. The Tesla Semi addresses the persistent shortage of long-haul drivers by minimizing stress and fatigue, ultimately enhancing safety in an industry grappling with frequent drowsiness-related accidents. Tesla's Semi is engineered to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, conserving millions of gallons of diesel. This represents a meaningful contribution toward combating climate change and enhancing environmental standards. The advanced design of the Tesla Semi is intended to attract a younger generation of drivers, providing a modern driving experience akin to premium electric vehicles. This shift has the potential to reinvigorate the trucking industry amid declining interest from drivers, aiming to make electric vehicles significantly more accessible to a diverse audience. This approach has the potential to revolutionize the electric vehicle market, opening doors for increased adoption. Elon Musk's dedication to producing the Model 2 in high volumes reflects a strong anticipated demand, with expectations for extraordinary sales figures. This transition underscores Tesla's strategic shift towards prioritizing affordability in its offerings. Notably, despite its lower price point, the Model 2 will incorporate several features found in more expensive models, such as the Model Y. This alignment preserves Tesla's esteemed reputation for performance, appealing to both new consumers and existing customers alike. The design of the Model 2 features sleek aesthetics combined with a recognizable four-door style, strategically targeting a broader market. It also draws visual cues from the Model 3, enhancing its appeal without sacrificing practicality. Inside, the Model 2 emphasizes functionality over luxury, characterized by a minimalist interior that utilizes basic materials. This design decision is a strategic move to ensure that the vehicle remains affordable for the average consumer. Further enhancing its competitiveness, the Model 2 is projected to offer an impressive range, facilitated by its efficient battery technology, which aims for at least 250 miles per charge. This positioning establishes it as a reliable option within the budget electric vehicle market. The Model 2 is poised to bring transformative changes to the electric vehicle industry, boasting an innovative design coupled with advanced production techniques. This could potentially reduce the vehicle's price to as low as $15,000, thereby capturing a wider market segment. Production of the Model 2 will leverage the advantages offered by Tesla's Gigafactory, focusing on high efficiency and scalability. This strategic approach aims to meet the increasing demand for affordable electric vehicles on a global scale. Tesla's pioneering use of aluminum in the Model 2 is designed to significantly decrease the vehicle's weight, thereby enhancing energy efficiency. This innovation is set to improve both performance and driving range, further solidifying the Model 2's appeal. Concepts for the Model 2 have emerged, designated as Design A and Design B. Presently, public sentiment indicates a preference for Design A, which embodies a minimalist yet sophisticated aesthetic. Tesla's design philosophy underscores the principles of simplicity and luxury. However, this presents challenges in devising a budget-friendly vehicle such as the Model 2. The core challenge resides in finding an equilibrium between cost efficiency and the maintenance of superior quality. The type of battery selected for the Model 2 remains a subject of deliberation, with options including aluminum-ion or lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries. The decision in this regard will substantially influence both the vehicle's range and its overall affordability. In the context of the burgeoning market for affordable electric vehicles, Tesla confronts heightened competition, notably from Chinese manufacturers such as BYD. This competitive landscape has intensified the imperative for a mass-market vehicle. The development of the Model 2 necessitates considerable investment in cutting-edge manufacturing technologies and the integration of standardized components. This strategic approach aims to diminish production costs while upholding quality standards. Despite its anticipated low price point, the Model 2 is required to comply with stringent safety regulations and performance criteria. Such compliance is crucial for ensuring its competitive stance against existing models in the market. The financial ramifications of not establishing new factories are critical for Tesla, particularly in light of the imminent expiration of the federal tax credit. This fiscal pressure underscores the urgency for maintaining competitive pricing. The design framework of the Model 2 must prioritize simplicity and quality to circumvent perceptions of cheapness, thus posing a unique challenge to Tesla's engineering teams. Achieving this equilibrium is vital to preserving the brand's established luxury image. Amidst growing competition from entities such as BYD, it is imperative for Tesla to innovate expeditiously to uphold its market share. The Model 2 signifies Tesla's foray into the affordable electric vehicle segment, targeting a broader demographic of consumers. To facilitate a substantially lower price point, Tesla has implemented reductions in numerous features, materials, and performance parameters, which may influence the premium experience traditionally associated with the brand. The Model 2 is fundamentally a more basic iteration of the Model Y, which raises questions regarding Tesla's ongoing commitment to innovation and pioneering design principles. Despite the inherent risks, the Model 2 possesses the potential to emerge as Tesla's highest-selling model, thereby solidifying its position within the affordable electric vehicle market and furthering the agenda of mass electrification. The introduction of the Model 2 represents a pivotal moment in the global transition to electric vehicles, with anticipated deliveries scheduled for late 2026. This timeline is in alignment with Elon Musk's overarching vision for accessible and affordable electric mobility. Furthermore, Tesla's strategy of vertical integration significantly streamlines production processes while simultaneously reducing costs. This approach facilitates accelerated development cycles, distinguishing Tesla from traditional automakers, as evidenced by the swift rollout of the Model Y. In addition, the Model 2's competitive price point undercuts rivals such as the Chevrolet Bolt, effectively addressing significant barriers to electric vehicle adoption. Coupled with access to Tesla's extensive supercharger network, this pricing strategy enhances its attractiveness to prospective consumers. Notably, the Model 2's price point of $9,475 may well render electric vehicles mainstream, as it directly confronts the affordability challenges encountered by a significant segment of consumers. Such a shift could fundamentally alter perceptions surrounding electric vehicle ownership. Moreover, innovations in design, including improved aerodynamics and a reduction in parts complexity, are projected to lower production costs by 10 to 15%, thereby strengthening Tesla's competitive positioning within the market. This development could contribute to enhanced profitability. The Model 2 also incorporates significant enhancements, such as thinner A-pillars for augmented visibility and smaller side mirrors equipped with integrated cameras, which collectively improve both aesthetics and functionality. These enhancements are instrumental in providing a safer driving experience. Additionally, the aerodynamic design of the Model 2 improves both efficiency and performance, drawing on insights derived from the Model Y's architecture and advanced headlight aerodynamics. This innovation is likely to enrich the overall driving experience. Owners of the Model 2 enjoy the benefits of Tesla's comprehensive charging infrastructure, which encompasses thousands of supercharger stations globally. This extensive network ensures high reliability and convenience, effectively meeting daily charging requirements. The interior design of the Model 2 prioritizes a minimalist interface, consolidating controls into a highly responsive central display. This design philosophy not only reduces driver distractions but also enhances the overall user interaction for a diverse range of drivers. Furthermore, the Model 2 is equipped with automatic software repairs, which significantly enhance reliability and minimize maintenance costs. This innovative approach stands in stark contrast to conventional vehicles, which frequently necessitate service visits. Safety features derived from Tesla's flagship models ensure passenger protection, while the spacious interior is designed to accommodate both families and individuals. The overall design is particularly optimized for urban environments, providing practical cargo space. Finally, the affordability of the Model 2 has the potential to catalyze shifts in urban planning and commuting patterns. As the cost of mobility decreases, individuals may opt to reside further from their workplaces, thereby influencing residential and commercial development. The Model 2 is designed to be 15% smaller and 30% lighter than its predecessor, the Model 3, positioning it as an optimal choice for urban environments. This compact design specifically caters to the needs of small families and urban dwellers, enhancing maneuverability in congested areas. In terms of cost management, the Model 2 adopts cost-cutting measures that involve the utilization of basic materials and a streamlined design. While this approach may disappoint some enthusiasts, it effectively ensures a more accessible price point. Additionally, incorporating familiar design elements from the Model Y assists in preserving brand identity. The performance specifications of the Model 2 prioritize practicality, featuring a rear-wheel drive configuration along with modest acceleration and speed. Although these performance metrics may not be groundbreaking, the Model 2 is engineered to outperform many gas-powered vehicles within its price category. Equipped with a 53 kWh LFP battery, the Model 2 maintains an affordable price point of approximately $3,000, thereby enhancing both its economic feasibility and efficiency. This type of battery is lauded for its durability and safety features, making it a